A very good morning to one and all present here. This is Vaishali, SSB Club Co-Coordinator. As we all know, we all have gathered here with the fifth event of SSB Club focused on picture perception and discussion text. Under this event, you will be shown a picture for 1 minute. Then 4 minutes will be given to you for story writing, followed by narrating your written story in 1 minute, and at last, group discussion of 10 to 15 minutes, which will be conducted in breakout rooms. After completion of group discussion and narration, you all have to join main room. So I hope you all got it. Now before starting, let's have a group pic. So I request everyone to please turn on their cameras. Everyone please turn on their cameras. Thank you all. Now let's start. I hope you all are carrying your pen and papers. So I request now Nitya Di to please present a picture for the PPT for 1 minute.
Yeah, Nitya, I have just shared with you the PPT.
1 minute, I am sharing the screen.
Yes. Guys, as this will be the first event of any such practical applications of the SSB, I would just request you to write down whatever comes in your mind. Okay, as the instructions have been told to you by Vaishali, and just feel free rather than having a pre-thought in mind about impressing, try to emphasize on expressing in a structured manner. That will help you guys. So that is one just suggestion from my side. Now I would request Nitya to share the screen. Yeah, Nitya, over to you.
I hope my screen is visible to you.
Yes.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Vaishali,
Yes.
can you see the picture?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay, okay.
Everyone, 1 minute is over. Now you can start writing, and I request Nitya to please stop sharing. Vishali, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Nitya, you can please now screen share, put the screen share on off mode.
Tushar sir. Hello.
Yes, Samu.
Sir, is it obligatory to show some OLQs in the story? Because I am not getting any OLQs in this picture.
See, as I told you that you don't need to impress, you need to express and the thoughts in a structured manner, whatever is coming in your mind. So please try to emphasize on that rather than impressing.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, please.
Guys, time is over. Now you can stop writing. I hope you are all done with your story writing. Now I request Nityali to please make a breakout rooms for story narration and group discussion.
Okay, Vishali, continue.
Okay, Di. I think I am in the main room, right?
Yes, Vishali, I have created only one breakout room and
Okay.
Samarjit and Tushar sir are there.
Okay. So we have So we have 10 participants here. I'm assigning chess numbers, and according to that, you all have to start the first narrations. When first will complete, then second have to continue there. Okay. And after that, after all the participants will stop narration, then you all have to start the group discussion. I hope all get it.
1 minute, Vishali. Digvijay, you have to
So
join.
I'm
breakout
assigning
room.
numbers. First number. Pardon?
Do we have
Anji, बोलिए.
Vishali ma'am?
Yes.
Do we have to introduce ourselves first
I think.
before narrating the?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. I'm assigning numbers. First number is of Vishal Jangra. And second is of Prashant. I hope all you get it. And the third is Priyanka. And fourth is of Vikram Chauhan. And fifth is of Vivek. Now you all can start. Vishal is not present here. Prashant, you can start. Start your narration first.
Good morning. My name is Prashant. I'm from Gurgaon and I'm pursuing BTech CSC from Guru Jambheshwar University. And today I'm going to narrate my story. As you can see in the picture, there's a farmer whose name is Mohan Singh, and he is a very traditional farmer and who believes in traditional methods of sowing and farming. And he grows paddy and wheat and manages to earn a decent living by selling the crops. Although Mohan Singh is not that much educated, but he firmly believes in the value of education and its importance in this growing modern era. So he's he wants his son to get admitted in this. Uh, he wants his son to have a great education. So he has admitted him in the best private school in the city. So as Vinay is getting its education,
Next.
Good morning, friends. From the picture, I perceive two characters. Both are males. One is a 10-year-old boy Ram, and his father is about 40 years old. So, Ram is a 10-year-old boy who loved studying, but due to poor financial condition, he has to work so that he can help his family. So he used to work with his father in the farm, and it was a season of wheat cutting, and during this time he has to suffer his studies as he has to work in the field with his father. So as he was suffering a lot in his studies, he requested his father to let him go to school during the daytime, and he will help his father in the evening or after school. After after seeing such kind of devotion for studies by his son, he agreed on it, and he he let him study despite of their poor financial condition, and he also sent him for the higher studies. And later, after getting job, he helped his family to cope up with their financial condition, and they lived as a happy family. Thank you.
Next, Vikram. I hope you are here.
Hello, am I audible? Hello.
Yeah. Yes, you are audible.
Yes, so I am Vikram Chauhan from BTech Mechanical. As we say in the picture, Naresh is a 6-year-old student, and his father Ramlal, who is 32 years old, took him to field with him. He wanted to share some field experience with his son, like how does a farmer give his best to the crops. He also wanted to teach his child that he take interest in fields and agriculture fields, because in future he might be invent some ideas which could be helpful in agriculture field. And they also make a hut in their field to take rest. Naresh took very interested in his father and learned many new things, and at least he wanted to invent and make something which help farmers in future. Thank you.
Continue next number.
Hello, am I audible to everyone?
Yes, you are audible. Continue.
Hello, I can perceive the picture of a duo of a father and son, whose the father's name is Sunil and his son Ram, who is 12, are sitting in their field. They have been working since the morning, and it's been lunch time, and they are waiting for their mother to bring some lunch. as it is the cutting of the wheat. They have stored their yielded crop, and they are looking forward to sell that in market and to pay the fees of his child in the school as the new session is going to begin. His son, 12-year-old, is very good in studies, as well as he helps his father in the field, as they are traditionally a farmer family. They both are looking very happy, and by the selling of the crops, they are looking forward to buy some fertilizers and bring some of the books of the new session, and they are very happy and looking forward for the bright session next ahead. Thank you.
Now you all can start group discussion.
So from the picture, as most of us has perceived that there are two characters and the background is of a farm, and the relation between the two characters is a father and son. So our characters
Father,
are finalized with this. So we have to move on for the theme of the story. So I think this theme would be good if we look for something developing as a being our society. That as we know in our society, in the villages, a child have to
then
work in
Priyanka,
field to have their
father
family.
also wanted to share, like at present the Kisan bill is on his way. He also wanted to share some ideas or some problems which face Kisan in which face farmers in their fields. So I think that's why he took his son to the field, because he wanted to show how a Kisan gave effort to his field. And
So yes, we can add both the ideas, na? That a child was interested in studies, and as his father was a farmer, he told him about the traditional techniques, so that the child in his studies can in later he can choose that field and can do something for the betterment of farmers.
yeah, I agree with you completely. uh, there is many or much uh,
I think there is also a hidden idea that in villages it is general to see a farmer and with his son, the duo family, to work together, and they also do. This is all part of their life, and nothing too much about to boast about, like he is not having a proper financial conditions. It is a general view of a village family who are working very hard to get their brighten their future, and the son is ought to work in the fields in his spare time.
what I
yeah, as
see, what I see in the picture is that a farmer, a traditional farmer who believes in traditional methods, is passing down his generation, the experiences from generation and the ways that that his ancestors has performed farming to his son, so that he gets to know the knowledges that that have been passed down to generation and the ideas of farming.
Yes, by this we can conclude a story where father tells his son about the traditional method, so that in the later ages the boy can use traditional method as well as coping up with the modern methods, and that would be helpful for the agriculture system.
Yes, I
yes,
agree with
as
that.
we
And
see in the picture, we see the relation of father and a son, which shows his efforts. Like we also should go our fields and took interest in agriculture and farming, and share some ideas to those farmers who cannot able to understand the new techniques and the new generations which can grow like
I very much agree with Vikram. As we all know, agriculture is also a very great field, but it also needs research. So as Vinay is pursuing his education and has very interest in farming, he can also research in the field and make the output and the yield more productive using the both traditional methods and as well as the modern technologies that can be used in the field output.
But the
to
age
increase
of
the
a
field output.
child
Yeah,
is about
yes,
10 to
Prashant. The
12
age of the
years.
child is very less
Yes.
to be thinking
So
about all the
we
innovations.
we
and
can
all.
go
it's-
with the theme that his father is telling him that what kind of situations are there and what kind of techniques they are using and what all
it's
can
not
be
the
done.
Yeah,
yes,
excuse
Priyanka, I
me.
agree with
There's
you.
also a underlying. There is also underlying idea that the father is telling.
Yeah, only father is
See,
telling how
We need to
how
conclude a story, a common story.
what Vinay has is an idea and how he can help the economy and how can help his his father's traditional method to to get more enhanced with and also work with the modern technologies so that he can maximize the output of the field of the agriculture field.
Huh?
So that
actually
I
what
think
type of modern
see,
technologies we
he is very small, but the idea
even give
Near
any
about 10 to 12
give any
years, he's
example to the
helping his.
modern technology, which type of modern
And,
technology he should use or he would use,
it's see
like
he
I
still is
think
a
I
child.
would
He
like
has an
to.
idea, just like we all have dreams. He has a dream too, to help his
Yeah,
father and to
Hence,
help the
we need
farming
to conclude a
community.
common story. We need to finalize a theme for the story.
I think the theme should be like a father and just it should be very simple and effective, like a father and son duo cut sitting at the field after the crop cutting season, and they are looking forward to sell their crops or just about the crops
He's
only.
he's having a wheat root in his hand. That is, it means they are cutting the crop that time. We can say that
Yeah,
the
but I think the field is.
father is teaching them, teaching his son about the process, and so that he can also motivate his son to do something better in the agriculture field in the later ages when he grow up.
And he's also teaching his son how to manage the residue of that wheat wheat residue, and not to burn, not to do the stubble burning that many of the farmers in India are doing, and instead
Yes,
it can be used as a decomposer to maximize the output.
yes.
yes, yes.
Yes, Prashant.
So
I think that would be a great
could
point
be
to add on.
Yeah.
And
Now,
this idea is also inspiring Vinay to do the research work when he grows old enough to do so.
after
So
completing his studies, higher
yes,
studies, he
yes,
chose to go in the field of agriculture development.
yeah.
yes, Priyanka, I very much agree with you.
So I think
I think this story is
our
concluded.
discussion,
Stubble
Yeah,
managing system,
I think
and they
we
both are sitting happy in a happy way, and the weather is cool, and they both are enjoying the each other's company, and they are looking forward to a bright future. Or the schooling part we can also add on there.
so I think it could be it is we discuss every possibilities of that picture, so we can wind up our story or
so
our discussion.
let's make a consolidated story about a farmer who is teaching his son how to do the farming, and is also taking note how to not destroy or harm the environment in the process, and how to maximize the output.
There is no
And
use of chemical fertilizers and
yeah, he's also teaching the the generation passed down knowledge to him, and is also imparting an idea how the farming sector can help in the growth of a nation, which is also inspiring Vinay to pursue his studies in agriculture and do research in it for the betterment of the nation.
Yeah, that
okay.
would be great, Prashant.
One
So I
of
think we should name the theme. The theme should be like a father and son duo sitting
I think the
talking
theme,
about.
the title of the theme should be inspiring the next generation.
for
Yeah,
agriculture
the
development.
passing on of the knowledge to next generation.
Yeah, inspiring the next generation. I think it's yes, suitable theme for this story. So I think the story is concluded.
One of us have
Oh,
to narrate a complete story.
I
Okay.
think something better we can name this
Is
story.
there anyone who
So
want to nominate himself for narrating the story among us?
Concluded story.
I think I'll do it.
The conclusion.
So Mohan Singh is a farmer, is a traditional farmer who believes in traditional ways, and his son, although Mohan Singh is not educated, but he firmly believes in education and its importance. And in the picture, Mohan is teaching his son Vinay how to do farming, and is also teaching him about how his ancestor used to grow the crops, and how the modern world is using
And
such
how to
technologies.
prepare the field for the next
Next session.
and how
And,
to prepare the field for the next cropping
he's
session.
he's also teaching him what happens after the farming, how the residue can be utilized in a useful way, to utilized in a way such that it can maximize the output of the maximize the output of the field for the next session. Meanwhile, telling him how stubble burning and the way and various other such techniques can harm the environment
Yeah, I think
in the process.
Prashant, I think this doesn't need so much elongated description of only the stubble. We should keep it light. Just he was preparing his son for the next.
Yeah,
How to
yes,
For the next,
prepare the
he's,
land
for
for
the
the next
future
one
of,
season, and that you can
as he's teaching him
in
how
that you can tell 1 or 2 point about the stubble burning and etc.
okay.
as he's teaching his son about the stubble burning and the various issues, his son is Vinay is getting inspired from the he's getting enlightenment from the knowledge, and is thinking of pursuing farming and agriculture as a research
Yeah,
when he grows up. And he has also a very
and
great sense of,
he towards wholesome career.
yes,
And he is pursuing a wholesome career with practical knowledge as well as the studies which he
yeah,
do in the school.
that's what
That
he had
would be
decided
nice.
after listening to his father's and listening to his father teaching him about the agriculture and how to grow crops and everything. So I
Yeah,
think
that
that
would be
much
great.
pretty does it.
Yeah, I think that would be enough.
I think we should add some aim of the child for all this. Like he at last he want to do something, or
Yeah, I've
create
mentioned
something.
that. I've mentioned that in the story. So I think you all
If
agree.
there is anyone who can
Wants
come
to
up
add some
with
few
a
points.
good morale or anything.
No, Prashant is better. I think he should. I think he could do very well.
Uh, the moral of the story should be,
Is
I
anyone coming
guess,
up with a morale of the story? Yeah, carry on, Prashant.
yeah, I think the moral should be, it's not about the age. It's not about the age that a person can do something and dream about. It's about the idea, and it's about the hope that he can do it. For Vinay, he may be small, but the idea to become a great farmer and to research in the field to develop the nation is not that impossible, even for his age. I guess this should be the moral.
Scientific plus the traditional.
Yep.
Yeah, I think we
Or
should be
we
done
can
with the
add
summing
like
up of the story,
the young
and Prashant
generation
would
take
narrate.
interest in
story.
agriculture.
Yes,
We
that
can
we can
add
also
in it,
add.
the young generation take interest in their agriculture field, because we all know our nation is based nearly 50 to 60% based on agriculture.
Agriculture, yeah, that's why I mentioned the importance of research in that story, and that's why Vinay also wants to do the research, so like he can also he can do something for the betterment of the nation. And anyone has some ideas, please come forward.
Priyanka, you have something?
Actually, I want to say after the narration of concluded story, we are not supposed to discuss anymore.
Okay.
Yes. I hope all are done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you all. You all perform very well, and thank you for participating. Practice makes up man perfect. So keep participating, and thank you. Nitya, can they leave?
Yes,
I
yes,
hope-
Vishali, they are free to leave.
Okay. Thank you all. You can leave.
Thank you very much.
Okay.